everybody? It's your boy Omar Saborin. We're back in Omeezy's kitchen, guys. How you doing? Perfect. Guys, I'm sorry about last week. I didn't post. You know, it was Eid. I've been working 2 weeks straight. I had a lot to do. I'm sorry about that. And guys, thank you for tuning in every week. You know, watching, supporting. It's a lot of love. I appreciate it. For today, I got you guys chicken tikka India. Let's do it, guys. I got you. So guys, I've diced and chopped my chicken. It's in here. All I'm gonna have to put is the spices for the tikka masala. So some pepper, some paprika, chili powder, some turmeric, red peppers, crushed peppers, and some tikka masala flavor seasoning. That's it, guys. Just mix it up well. So guys, as you can see, everything's mixed well in there. I'm just gonna let this sit until I cut all my vegetables out, and the magic will start happening. There we go, guys. So you got your peppers on the left and you got your onions on the right. So as you can see, guys, everything is put. And all I'm going to do right now is let this simmer. I am going to add a little bit of spices to it, just for the taste. Not too much, because there's already some on the chicken. So guys, add some chili. Add some paprika and some pepper. A little bit of salt. There we go. Just give it another mix. I actually don't want to touch this and burn myself. That was dude. Man. You gonna add your tomatoes to it, guys? Cheese. Basically what's in there is red peppers, you got yellow pepper, you got a tomato, garlic, and onions. And that's basically just going to make the paste for the chicken tikka. I'm soon going to add the seasoned chicken to that. Let it cook for a bit, and then you guys will see the steps. So guys, the chicken has been added to it. That's set right there. Around it is the paste that I made earlier. We're just going to mix this a little bit, let it cook a little bit, and then let it simmer. As you guys can see, the chicken's starting to cook up, and this is starting to get ready. We out here. Cheese! Omeezy's back. Look at that. Would you look at that? So guys, it does look like curry, but it's not. I guess it is tikka curry. Last week was actually curry, Indian curry. So yeah, they're all types of curries, like, but yeah. So guys, I've just finished cooking my chicken tikka. My boy T will try it again. Last week it was too salty. He didn't say it on the camera. He waited till I cut it, but let's see what's up this week.
Alright. Yeah. Nah, that's what you're talking about.
T.
Less salt this time, bro.
Yeah, but what else? What else don't you like out of it? I need to know. The customers need to know.
No, this one's perfect. I'm about to finish it.
Alright.
Yeah, this one's perfect. Cut down on the salt and you're straight.
There you go, guys. Cheese, we out here. So guys, Omeezy's Kitchen, episode 13 is finally over. Guys, we're still in Indian month, guys. I got chicken tikka today. 2 weeks ago, I had chicken curry. And the reason I missed last week again was because like I've been very busy, you know. And it was Eid last week, so I spent time with family and that. So, but guys, thank you for watching. You know, thanks for tapping in every week. You know, thanks for giving me advice. Thanks for giving support. I appreciate all of you guys. We out. Whew. Almost forgot, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.